Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna take a look at all the free stuff I got as a tech YouTuber with 2,000 subscribers. So give this video a thumbs up and stick around for the unboxing. So first up, we got this Wi-Fi range extender from Juplink. This video is not a review, it's just an unboxing. So if you want to check out anything I show in this video, I'll leave a link to them in the description below. It's a dual band extender. The maximum speed is 750 megabits per second and it does support WPS. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Got a little customer service card right here. This is the extender. It's pretty small. On and off switch and a reset button right here. Here you can switch between the 3 different modes. Got the WPS button here. And I guess you could just pop this out to fit the other types of plugs. Got the LAN ports here on the bottom. Let's see what else is inside the box. Got a quick start guide. Some troubleshooting stuff, and these are the extra plugs, so you could just swap them out. Next up, we have this Wi-Fi 6 router from Azores. Here are some of the specs on the back. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Quick start guide. Got the power cord right here. Here's the Ethernet cable, and it's the flat one. So let's get it out. The cable type is Cat 5e. Here we have the router, and I guess you can set up multiple of these to create a mesh network. Let's peel this wrapper off. There we go. So this is the AX1800 model. You get your LAN ports, WPS button, power port, and LED button back here. You can reset it under here. Nice vent design up here at the top. Next up, we got the Uni USBC multi-port adapter. I really like Uni products. I personally use some of their other accessories and they're pretty great. So let's get it out and take a look. Got a user manual. Here's the adapter in that space gray color. Got their Uni branding up here. On the bottom, you get a USB-C port for charging, an HDMI port, and a USB port. So this should be pretty good for MacBooks and iPads. Next up, we got another package from Uni. It's a 10 feet USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Let's get it out of this box. Here's the cable. I always like the nylon braided material on their cables. Looks like you get an indicator light right here on this end. Next up, we got a Kima wireless microphone system. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Instruction manual. This is a USB sound card. Some extra windscreen foam and an adapter. A dual USB charging cable. This is the transmitter. On this side, you got the on and off switch and charge port. This is the receiver. On this side, you have the on and off switch and charge port. This right here is a clip for your belt. This is the lav mic, just clip it on. This is the microphone headset. Pretty flexible. And this is the Y splitter. Next up, we got this jump starter and power pack from Fox Speed. I can tell you, these things are a must-have. I have a smaller one for my car. It will save you from having to ask somebody for a jump start. It's also a power bank, so you can charge up your devices. So let's open it up and check it out. Nice carrying case, feels pretty durable. You get a charging adapter. I was trying to get it in focus. Here are the jumper cables. Pretty good grip on them. It comes with a USB-C cable for charging. This is another adapter. Got a little how-to guide right here on how to use it to jumpstart your car. Here's the jump starter itself. Let's get it out. Can't go wrong with black and red. You got a USB-C port for charging in and out and a DC output. Power button right here. And the battery percentage right here. So this is where you plug that jumper cable in. Two USB charge ports and a flashlight. Let's turn it on. The flashlight has 3 different modes on it. Pretty cool stuff. Here's the specs on it. If you like videos like this, drop a comment and let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at LamarMK. As always, thanks for watching and peace out.